Hello guys and welcome in another video for me. So in this video, I will be talking about the conversation rubric, all right? So when I tell you the conversation rubric, it is for the conversations you memorize from the book and you act them, or the listening exercises you do when you try to act that script. So now we will take the rubric criteria by criteria, and we are going to see what is the meaning of each one of them. So now let me start. So this is the rubric. So the first criteria we have is pronunciation. So what is pronunciation? It's the way the words and sentences are said, correct or native. So for you to take a full mark in this criteria, you need to say the words and the sentences correctly. Now check here, for example. When it comes to the pronunciation, we have 4 levels. For you to take a full mark, you need to say everything correctly with no errors. The errors are like big mistakes. Now, if you made a few errors, you will take 3 points. If you made too many errors, you're going to take 2 points. And if you made a lot of errors, you're going to take 1 point. So you need to be careful. So this is the first criteria we have. The second criteria, we have the linking sounds. The linking sounds is the way you are linking the words together. So this means you don't pause a lot, like you don't say, like you are linking the words together. Now, if you are linking the words correctly, you will take a full mark. If you have a few pauses, you will take 1.5. And if you pause a lot, you will take 1 point. So you need to be careful. The next criteria, we have the expression. What is the expression? It is the way you show emotion, tone, and mood to convey meaning. So the way you are like making the text alive, you are making the conversation alive. So I forget that it is you acting something that is not yours. I want to feel those words are yours. So you are putting your emotions, you are trying to repeat the same tone, the same emotion, you are trying to live the same mode, you are trying to become believable. This is what we mean by expression. Now, if you are doing this very well, you will take a full mark. But if you are not very good at this, you will take 1.5. But if I feel it is just a robot reading a text, then you will take half a mark. And the last thing, we have intonation and stress. So when it comes to the intonation, it is the way you are saying sentences. It is the way your voice falls or goes up when you say sentences. For example, when I say, is he cooking? See, I go up with my voice. I say, is he cooking? Right? But if I say, what's he cooking? I go down. This is what we call intonation. Now, when it comes to the stress is the strongest syllable in the word. So in Arabic, we would call it shadda. In Arabic, it is shadda. So this is what we mean by stress. So if you don't have a problem with intonations or stress and you are saying them correctly, you will take a full mark, which is 2 points. If you have some issues, you will take 1.5. If you have a lot of issues, you will take 0.5. So you need to be careful because this is a very important thing. So that's it. So this is the rubric for the memorized conversations or the listening exercises. And thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in another one.